I took antibiotics, ended up getting really sick, and got something called C. diff, which kills about 25,000 Americans a year. It's a superbug that happens when you take antibiotics on a very rare chance. So I spent about a year reading research on the microbiome, which is your gut bacteria, and then quickly realized how much the microbes were essentially impacting our health. All kinds of disease states that you normally wouldn't think are in the gut, like your brain health, Alzheimer's, the skin, so on and so forth. So I started a company called Ombre Labs, used to be called Thrive, about 8 years ago, which was essentially the 23andMe for poop. So we had a consumer genetics test that personalized nutrition and probiotics based on your gut microbiome. And at the time, in order to see the DNA of the microbes in your gut, all these really kind of big machines called next generation sequencing devices were only available in academia and research. So my thought was like, how do I democratize this and make it available for consumers to essentially be able to test it at scale, track their health, and ultimately improve it. And so with Ombre, it was a venture funded company. It was actually one of my first companies as a true CEO founder, if you will. Raised about 13 million from the Moulton family, from Unilever, other VCs in Silicon Valley. At its peak, we had one of the largest genome databases in the world, about 150,000 samples. And I was on Shark Tank season 11. Unfortunately, we didn't air, but we did get a deal during filming. And the reason why is because we actually got sued in the middle of it for trademark infringement. And currently the product is in 2,600 stores nationwide at CVS and Rite Aid. So if you go to the probiotics section, you'll see Ombre on the shelf.